Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Shopify account with your domain. So in case you don't have a domain, make sure you go to a site like Namecheap or domain.com or GoDaddy and you can purchase a domain from there. I recommend using Namecheap. So there's going to be a link in the description below so that you can grab yourself a domain from there. And just as the name suggests, domain doesn't cost that much nowadays. So first thing that you want to do is get yourself a domain, register, think of a clever name for your site, for your Shopify store. Keep it simple. And if you already have a Shopify account but don't have a domain set up, you'll probably get this screen here. Basically, this is just a nice way of Shopify helping you, hands-on to go along. So when you get to this part, it wants you to add a product, customize a theme. You probably don't have to do that, but go ahead and do that first. Again, don't, you have to take too long to do this. Um, Once you get to this domain part, you'll get this button option here. So click on Add Domain. And you'll see you're gonna have this really long name, right? You're gonna have this really long name with the My Shopify link on there because you don't have a domain yet. So again, you can actually buy a domain through here, or you can connect an existing domain, which is what we're gonna do today. We already have a domain from Namecheap, sorry. And this store is actually from a friend of mine. She's a Instagram influencer, so we're gonna be using her as the guinea pig here today. So we're going to click on Connect Existing Domain. Then we put in her domain, which I actually have right here. Click Next. And it is actually going to give you instructions here. It already recognized that the domain is with Namecheap already. And it's going to say, hey, this is how you do it. But this is what I'm here for, to show you. So once it's already there, you come back here to Namecheap and find your domain. This is going to be on the dashboard. So you're going to go to dashboard, log in, and you'll get to the main dashboard after logging in. Click on Manage. Sorry, I have very slow internet where I'm at, but it loads eventually. And you're going to click on Advanced DNS. Okay, so this was great about Namecheap and Shopify. It's like they work together. It is very good. They already have templates for sites like Shopify under Namecheap, so you don't have to do you don't have to get too crazy technical here. So you click on the drop-down link and select Shopify. So it says your DNS records will be set up to point your domain to the application you select. So just make sure you hit this little check mark here. A lot of people forget this. This is your save button. Okay, so you're changing your DNS settings. You're just getting a warning. Just hit continue. And there it goes. It enters all this for you. Normally you would have to do this manually. So now, it doesn't work usually right away, but we're going to give it a try back on Shopify here. You're going to hit verify connection. And let's see if it connects. There it is, fully connected. SSL is pending. This is actually something we have to complete in Namecheap, but it is good to go. So if I go to her site now, it should bring me to her store. So we'll do it on a separate tab here. Just copy that, and there it is. So right now we're on a free account at the moment for Shopify since we're just building out the store. But as soon as we have a full um, account here, we'll be able to get straight into the site. We won't need a password to actually get in. So yeah, that's how you set up a domain under Namecheap in 2019. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye bye. Hello again, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you liked it. Give it a like, subscribe. I am giving away a free Shopify course if you're interested in continuing with Shopify. You'll find the link in the description. Again, it's a 100% free course. It's a couple of hours long, but you don't have to watch them all in one day. Just give it your best. But I highly recommend this course. It was It's something that I use myself to get started with Shopify, and I'm sure you will like it as well. So click the link in the description, register, and get your free course. Thank you very much.